What is the relevancy of it all? Why are we here, and what is the purpose of such an existence in all of this? Well, I say it is destiny, but even destiny is still seeking its own destiny. So what is the true purpose? The true purpose is that you need to not only find out who you are, but what you are. And you are the time that they are using to create time. You are. You are the answer to that which you are seeking. But since we place ourselves in the position of worshiping the question, we cannot see the answer. The sun, the moon, the stars is the key to the universal brain. These are the cells or the organs which translates the information to shape the thoughts that lives in it. And we are the thoughts that is being shaped into other forms of intelligence which impregnates other universes with civilizations of other intelligence. Every time we learn something new, we are unlocking DNA in parts of ourselves that exist on other realms and dimensions. The power of the mind is to have power of what's in the mind. And to have power of what's in the mind makes you a very dangerous individual, because the world that you live in is a mind. So to control the mind that you are living in means to control the world that you are living in. And sooner or later, we are going to be forced to graduate from the so-called bullshit consciousness that we are teaching, because to teach history and theories that wasn't written or created by you shows the lack of creativity to define your own reality, which is your true history. And since you are the thoughts, which is the information in the mind of the universal computer, I'm going to show you what your true purpose is. Now, when you are born into the matrix, you are being downloaded into a system which is plugged into your subconscious. And once your DNA is turned on, this will confirm the completion of your download. This is what this world calls death. And once you are downloaded, you are saved to this universal computer and emailed into another body of consciousness in the next life. You are the information that creates the infinity, which helps the reality to exist. This is knowledge. Knowledge is not trying to figure out who is older than who, or who built the pyramids, or who is the most superior. No, it's not. This has been taught in the Matrix for over 40 years or more. We cannot continue to mislead the people by only teaching about the outside of the house. It is time to take them inside of the house and teach them how to live in the knowledge and how to furnish it properly. You see, the government is not a threat. The police is not a threat. And many of you may say, well, they are shooting us down. No, they are not shooting you down. They are shooting down the vehicle that you are visiting temporarily. You are the memory that is within the body of reality, which is not physical. Death does not exist. It's English. We have no problems. When you acknowledge that you have a problem, then you project that frequency into your mind, which becomes your reality. You see, this is deeper than what we think. This is not about being liberated here. This life is only a vacation until we go back into our true minds. You see, we are oppressing ourselves because we are throwing fits all day and every day, demanding justice and freedom from a shadow-figured system that has no soul or value. I refuse. I refuse to say that I need this or need that. Peace is the greatest value, and nobody can give me that. Nobody. One love.